How to manage mute my microphone on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage mute my microphone on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click this three icon here, click on it, and now click this one, meeting, click on it, and then just to click this one, mute my microphone. Click on it, and then as you see, mute my microphone has been turned on. And if you want to turn it off again, just click on it. And that's how manage mute my microphone on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.